You remember these bikes? You remember these bikes from last year? Well, last year was a vision. We showed you the vision of what EV motorcycling can be with these 4 product ideas, and some of them were fairly more developed. Now today is about launches. It is not about a vision alone. So today we are going to launch the Roadster series.
ओला ने अपने लाइव इवेंट संकल्प में आज अपनी इलेक्ट्रिक बाइक को लॉन्च कर दिया है और साथ ही में कई सारे बड़े बड़े अनाउंसमेंट्स कर दिए हैं। तो उन सभी के बारे में जानने के लिए इस वीडियो को पूरा देखें और ऐसे ही इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियोस के लिए टेक एक्सपर्ट चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।
And the cell is a small thing, but it's the beginning of infinite possibilities. And this is something very exciting. I want to show you the announcements we have on the cell, something that we have been working on for many years actually. The cell effort at Ola began 4 years ago, and we are still at it, and we have many products that we are now ready to launch. Let's actually first see the evolution of the cell. So I'm going to show this to you. We all have TV remotes at home, huh? We all have TV remotes? The first cell is a TV remote cell. You know, this is how big it is, okay? This is a fairly easily available cell. This is a TV remote cell. Now, the next generation was what the world calls the 2170 cell. This is the 2170 cell. This is what all EV companies in the world use if they're using this format. This is the state-of-the-art cell. The S1 uses it. A luxury EV car maker in the West would use the same cell. So this is the state-of-the-art. But what we have developed is different. We have developed the 4680 cell. Can you see it? मतलब इतना बड़ा है कि मेरे हाथ में भी फिट नहीं आ रहा है. Huh? It's so big. I'm not able to fit it in my palm. And the bigger a cell gets, the more complex it gets, but the more technology advanced it gets. If I can use analogy, this is the 5G of cells. आप सब अपने phone में 4G, 3G, 5G use करते हैं ना? This is the 5G of cells. You can see the comparison. Look at how different it is. So much bigger. And this is what your company has made. And this is a real cell, by the way. And we had to name it the Bharat cell. Right? India is our inspiration. India is our Karmbhumi. We had to name it the Bharat cell. It's India's first cell built in India's first gigafactory. And a comparison, I showed you the 2 cells, the 2170 and the 4680. The 4680 has 5 times more energy than the 2170 cell. And you saw the size differences. It charges faster. So all of you who want their EVs to charge faster, is there anybody like that in the room? Everybody wants the EV to charge faster, no? Or should we work on slow charging technology? So this cell will charge 50% faster. So that means you can get a full charge in minutes. It has longer range. And to build this, we actually filed more than 70 patents for just one cell. We did not import the technology, we built it ourselves. The cell is actually the heart of many, many products. And I want to show you the first one. Here goes the video. So you saw there, I'm going to take this off. This is the Ola S1 battery pack, but with our 4680 cells. हाँ, and बहुत हल्का है ये, बहुत हल्का है. Yeah? It's very much lighter than the 2170, and we've you can see. Can you all see it? Can you all see it now? So I'm going to put this back down. But ये cell सिर्फ battery pack दिखाने के लिए नहीं है. By the way, this cell will be in our products in Q1 FY26. And here we have a scooter which actually works on the 4680 cell. But that's not all. This cell will be used to build India's energy future. And I'm going to show you three product visions of the future. Through next year we will deliver them. Firstly, this cell will be built into a pack which can be used to power microgrids across the country. Imagine a village in rural India, solar generation and energy storage in this cell, completely off grid, zero electricity cost for everybody. That's one thing beyond the automotive that will happen with the cell. The second is not just in micro grids, but the whole grid. Imagine large solar plants in India, all not just generating solar in the day, but also solar in the night with energy storage with our 4680 cell. Exciting? But the most exciting one with the future of energy storage is at your home. Imagine your EV powering your home. Your home solar rooftop powering your EV. You're not needing any energy from the grid. This is our Prime Minister's vision, and this is how our 4680 cell is making that true. Did you get that? Do you want this? Imagine your vehicle has a couple of these. You pick them up, put them into your home. It powers your home. You put them into your vehicle. You're good to go. All running on our 4680 cell. So the cell is the start of infinite possibilities for India's energy future. And we are building this whole roadmap over the next year or two. So that's the cell. I want to repeat. We will build our products with our 4680 cell starting April onwards. We are on a tight timeline. India's largest gigafactory built in 1 year. India's own 4680 cell, the future of energy.
Hello everyone. It's so great to be here. Are you guys excited for MoveOS 5? Itna sa?
MoveOS 5.
5th release in just 3 years, guys. Louder! Yes! This is the Josh that drives us to push the boundary of MoveOS with every release. And MoveOS 5 is no different. It's our biggest release ever. And you will see features that have never been seen before. So, let's start with Ola Maps. In MoveOS 4, all of you voted Ola Maps as your favorite feature. And in MoveOS 5, we are going to make it even better. Do you know how? Because Ola is the only place where we make our own maps and we make our EVs. So we will be building features that have never been seen before. One such feature is group navigation. So next time when you're out there on the road trip with your friends on their Ola scooters, you can see each other on your maps. So nobody will ever be left behind. Have you ever seen a feature like this on any vehicle? No. Next up, let's talk about performance. In every MoveOS release, we have used advanced machine learning techniques to get that much more performance out of your scooter. And the trend continues in MoveOS 5. You will have more range and 15% faster public charging. Talking about machine learning and AI, all of you know about tire pressure monitoring systems. You know that it needs hardware on your scooter, but not on your Ola scooter. We are introducing the world's first AI TPMS on MoveOS 5. And then, the most requested MoveOS feature of all time. The Krutrim AI assistant will make its debut inside your Ola scooter, and you can talk to your assistant in multiple languages through multiple modalities on your scooter and on your phone. Anyways, enough talking. Let me show you guys a film.
Hey Masakali, how is the weather today?
So today we are announcing the Gen 3 platform of our two-wheelers. All the products that you buy today are on the Gen 2 platform. Gen 2 really led Ola Electric to strong growth. It allowed us to build multiple products from a single S1 Pro to S1 Air, S1 X, and now we are introducing Gen 3. Like I said, Gen 2 really led us to grow faster. I mean, look at this. That was Gen 1, this was Gen 2. Zameen Asman ka farak hai. You know, that's what one generation of technology advancement does. It really allows you to grow faster. We were able to bring the cost down and improve the features, improve the performance. Now, Gen 3 is the future. And let's see a quick video about Gen 3.
With our Gen 2 platform last year, we streamlined the design, achieving a 26% performance boost and a 22.5% cost reduction. As we progressed, we continued innovating to develop a platform that's simple, yet scalable, efficient, and state-of-the-art. While we thought outside the box for ideas, we realized the solution was in fact inside the box. Introducing the Gen 3 platform, where we have integrated the motor, battery, and electronics seamlessly into one single box. The aluminum casted front and rear frame subassembly will also be integrated to the battery box, giving us a structural battery pack. This transforms the battery pack from an independent energy source into a key structural component, enhancing the vehicle's integrity and strength. The peripherals will then be attached to the frame. This results in a platform that allows for scalability and addition of more form factors to our portfolio, catering to various customer needs, starting from the commuter to the sports to the tourer. Now let's take a look inside the box. In the Gen 3 battery, our indigenously developed 4680 Bharat cells are placed in the bottom cell pallet pre-assembled at the Gigafactory. They will then be connected to each other through in-molded bus bars. These bus bars are insulated with plastic sheets and then laser welded to the cells, reducing manufacturing time while improving shock resistance, strength and thermal efficiency. The 4680 Bharat cells that go into the battery are larger in diameter and 10% more energy dense compared to the 2170 cell. Our next generation motor will now be integrated and magnetless. While our previous platform had separate cables, motor and MCU, the Gen 3 motor will have all components integrated seamlessly with magnetized electrical coils instead of permanent magnets to generate higher torque more efficiently. The materials for the Gen 3 motor will be sourced entirely from within India, eliminating the need for mining rare earth materials, making the new platform more sustainable. In the Gen 1 platform, we used 10 ECUs with an intricate network of wires. With Gen 2, we streamlined this to 4 ECUs, reducing the wiring significantly. And now, with the Gen 3 platform, we will integrate the core functionality of the BMS, MCU and other components into a single high-performance multi-core processor. This new architecture will minimize wiring complexity, enhancing overall reliability. Our advanced electronics will also support wireless data communication. This will be made possible with our new and improved central compute board, which will house all the main ECUs on one board with the capability to integrate Ola's Krutran chip in the future. The central compute will be more powerful than any two-wheeler electronics board, while allowing for easy manufacturing and assembly. This upgrade will not only enhance current functionality, but also prepare us for the future, enabling next-generation safety features through our advanced driver assistance system. And there you have it, the advanced and scalable Gen 3 platform, enabling us to streamline manufacturing and assembly, along with empowering us to efficiently build a range of EVs, all while reducing cost and enhancing performance.
Here's a glimpse into the future. This is going to be our scooter roadmap. The S1 series, S1 Pro, S1 Air, S1 X, and in the future a sports S1. Do you want a sports S1? Then do you want an S2 with more power and more range? So we will have those products on the Gen 3 platform. Do you want a tourer scooter like you saw in the silhouette? That is also going to be built on the Gen 3 platform. So we have a whole set of roadmap products for scooters on the Gen 3 platform. And all of these we're not really showing you today. This is a roadmap.
And then my favorite subject, design. So again, while there are some beautiful motorcycles out there, they have been incremental in change. Whereas with all these, again, fiddly bits, there is no exhaust, there is no petrol tank. With that, you're like relieved and you can really reimagine what this pure form of motorcycling can be. So shall we talk about the motorcycle platform?
Are built on a modular, scalable, integrated platform that evolves from our existing two-wheeler platform, allowing us to create a world of motorcycles that excel in performance, safety, and riding experience, all while reducing R&D and manufacturing costs and speeding up time to market. Let's first look at the battery. The battery has fewer wires, preventing power loss and ultimately leading to better efficiency. It is designed to accommodate 4680 cells in the future, promising higher energy density for improved range. Our modular battery architecture supports capacities from 2.5 kWh to 7.5 kWh. We have integrated components like bus bars, enclosure integration with charger and MCU, resulting in a compact and efficient design. This integration reduces wiring, preventing power loss and ultimately leading to better efficiency. We have adapted the smart E&E architecture from our two-wheeler platform into our motorcycle platform. It supports ADAS, 5G compatibility, and enables smart and connected vehicle capabilities. Our architecture accommodates motors up to 18 kW, enabling us to support even higher performance needs. The integrated motor control unit with our in-house software ensures uninterrupted torque delivery, maintaining sustained acceleration. We have developed a modular double cradle frame architecture that's lighter, stronger, and stiffer. It effectively protects against uneven road surfaces and bumps, enhancing rider safety. The frame's flexibility allows it to accommodate various battery configurations, braking arrangements, and motor layouts. Its flexible subframe model enables easy modification of subframe, swing arm, and suspension for scalability and efficient manufacturing. Designed to have a low center of gravity, the frame makes the motorcycle easier to maneuver and control. And there you have it, the most advanced integrated motorcycle platform.
The Roadster series, the first product is going to be the Roadster Pro. Let's see a quick film about this product. That's the Roadster Pro. This is what you saw last year, and this has absolutely killer specs. Look at the acceleration, 1.2 seconds, 0 to 40. Look at the top speed. You like the top speed? You like the range? You like the power? Huh? You like the power? You like the torque? 105 torque, Newton meter of torque. It's going to have a liquid cooled motor and battery. This is the Roadster Pro. It has features beyond what you have seen in two-wheeler EV so far. And by the way, that is the Roadster Pro. Moving forward, while they set it up, this is going to have a 10-inch TFT screen. Okay, I think the bike is more important than the... This is the Roadster Pro. But I'm going to move along. We have a lot of announcements. A 10-inch TFT touchscreen, ADAS with this vehicle. You saw the vision of ADAS in MoveOS. That'll be installed in this vehicle. It'll come with all the sensor package and USD front suspension. How many bikers want that? All right. So that's the Roadster Pro. Moving forward. Now let's hear a little bit about kitne ki padegi, huh? Let's start with the Roadster Pro. This will come in two variants, 8 and 16 kilowatt hour. So it's a powerful, large battery pack. It'll be built on our 4680 cell. I don't need to call this out. A top-of-the-line electric motorbike with power and range that nobody can beat at this price. We will deliver this to you. If I can just put a star mark and say these are introductory prices, all right? But post the introductory period, the same, the actual price will not be very different. This starts deliveries Diwali next year. Diwali next year deliveries. All right? Model in the Roadster series is the Roadster. Let's see a quick film about this one. That's the Roadster. The specs again are absolutely killer. Fast acceleration, high top speed, power, range, 250 kilometers of range. While they set it up, it's going to have great features. LEDs in the front, a 7-inch TFT, diamond cut alloy wheels. I love these diamond cut alloy wheels. They're just beautiful. And an aluminum subframe, a monoshock at the back. That's the Roadster. All right, again I'll request all of us, abhi aur kahani baki hai, please. Roadster. This is going to come in 3 variants, 3.5, 4.5, and 6 kilowatt hour. One and 1,05,000 rupees, that's it at the starting point. 1,20,000 rupees. 1,40,000 rupees. You can't get a decent 150cc bike, ICE bike in this price. Absolutely leading prices for leading performance, leading specs. You like this? From the community over there, where are the motorcyclists? You want to hear about the Roadster X, this one? By the way, the Roadster starts delivering January of next year. So just in 5 months, it'll start delivering. And you can reserve it today. So we've shown you 2 bikes, the Roadster Pro and the Roadster. एक और चाहिए? एक और चाहिए? बहुत काम कराते हो आप लोग, बहुत काम कराते हो. All right, let's have the Roadster X. That's the Roadster X. Again, great features for its class of performance. High top speed, 11 kilowatt of power, 200 kilometers of range in a single charge. Iconic LEDs, 4.3-inch LCD, and that's the Roadster X. The Roadster X comes in 3 variants, 2.5, 3.5, 4.5. And it's going to start from 75,000 rupees. This is my favorite. I love this bike the most. It has the exact beauty of the other 2 bikes, but it has a much more accessible price point. And it has an 11 kilowatt power. And you can get the battery size, you can get the range you want. 3.5 is 85, and 4.5 is 99,999. That's it. So this also starts deliveries in January next year, so only in 5 months. You can start reserving it today. All right. Can I request all the photographers to go back? You'll get a lot of opportunity to. So that's our bike, the Roadster series, the Pro, the Roadster, and the X, and the variants and the prices. I am personally extremely excited about electric motorbikes. As Kripa mentioned, for us, biking is about, motorcycling is about the journey within. It's about your spiritual journey. It's about your connection with the universe. It's about your connection with the bike. It's about your thrill. And that is what EVs will deliver in the purest form to everybody who buys one. Once you use an EV bike, you will forget about ICE motorbikes. Like I said, reservations for all of these open today, and deliveries start in due course. All right, so is that it? Is this the entire biking range we're announcing? You want to see some more bikes? Okay, let's have it. We have 2 more bikes. You saw it in the video. You will hear more about them on Diwali this year. All right, so this is our motorbike product roadmap. We have the Roadster series with the X, the Roadster, and the Pro. And in the video you saw the Sportster. That's a sporty Roadster. You want the comfort of a Roadster, but you want a little extra punch in it. Then we have the sports bikes. You saw Diamond Head last year. Today we showed you Arrowhead. Much more sportier than the Roadster series, but in a much more affordable package. Then we have the Adventure and the Cruiser. So we have a whole motorbiking platform, a set of products coming to you very, very soon. Well, that's a lot of announcements for one day. We showed you the Ola Cell. We told you that in April next year, it'll start coming into our products. We showed you the Generation 3 of our platform. We showed you the scooter portfolio. MoveOS 5 this Diwali. Motorcycles, the Roadster series, and the motorcycle roadmap. That's the stuff that Ola Electric is working on.